What's good, YouTube? This is Rob. I'm back with another video. I've had here in front of you guys, the Sonos One smart speaker with Alexa voice control built in. I got this in black. I just picked this up. I'm going to do a nice little unboxing for you guys, and later on give you my first impressions. But let's check this out. You got your instructions, books, quick start. Put that to the side. It's really nice. Let's save that. See what else is in the box. And your Ethernet cable connection. Like I said, I'm not too familiar with like I said, these sound speakers, but I plan on getting familiar with them and letting you guys know what I think about it. No capacitive buttons, all smooth touch. Pause, play. Got the Alexa voice thing. It's got a circle thing, I'm assuming for LED. You got a power button and your Ethernet cable setup. This is where you would probably plug everything up and run it through there. That's pretty cool. Nice quality, nice build. Also, to get this, you also need the Sonos app for iOS or either Android to accompany that. I do know out of the box you can voice control Amazon Music, Spotify, Pandora, iHeart, Radio, TuneIn, Sirius XM, automatically voice control with that. But there are somewhat like 50 other streaming services that this Sonos works with. I'm not going to go over a lot of them, but it does work with things like Apple Music, Deezer, Tidal, Mixcloud. I mean, I'm going to leave a list somewhere at the top of the video, somewhere around, so you can see. This pretty much covers all music streaming services that you could possibly think of. SoundCloud, Pandora. I mean, this does a lot out the box, and that was one of the things that attracted me to it. The sales rep at Best Buy, I don't know if it's true. I may have to research this myself. If anybody knows, please leave the information down below in the comments, saying that I think Sonos is waiting for their exclusive deal to finish with Amazon, and they're going to have the ability to upload Google Voice or the Google Assistant inside of this, so you can choose out of with the app which one you want to go with, Alexa or the Google service. They said it might be an upgrade sometime in the summer, somewhere right along the time where their exclusivity deal runs out with Amazon. So whether that's true or not, I don't know. I have to verify that myself. Now, this is not a Bluetooth type of speaker hookup. This is based on your Wi-Fi, which has its advantages. Sonos or Bluetooth, there are some advantages, but Sonos, you know, you can play different songs in different rooms if you have more than one of these at the same time if you're using Wi-Fi. If you're on Bluetooth, you can't do that. You can control music all over the house from any room if you have more than one of these, or even one, and you can't do that with Bluetooth. Even if you and your phone step out of the room, the music will keep playing. Whereas with Bluetooth, there's a amount of distance you have to stay within the speaker to keep the music going. The only advantage I can really see Bluetooth having is, for example, if you want to go to a park and you can't connect the speaker via Bluetooth like you can some other ones. But that might be the only advantage it has over it. And even when it's on Wi-Fi, you get the purest, most uncompressed audio possible. Wi-Fi has its advantages when it comes to speakers like these. Like I said, the cost of this is $199. You can get this from Best Buy and also on Amazon. And I'm quite sure you can go to Sonos's website and order it direct from them. Among other places, I'm quite sure you can find them on all the top sites that sell electronics. Other than that, that's pretty much it on the Sonos. Give me some time to get familiar with it, learn what it can do. I'm going to set it up and I'm going to mess around with this for a few days. Then I'm going to come back and give you another video and give you my opinion of what I think of the Sonos. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Please subscribe, leave your comments down there. And pretty much this is the unboxing of the Sonos One with Alexa built in from RP3 Tech Reviews. And I catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.